I know I've been MIA, but we knew what we were waiting on, and we got what we was looking for, guys. Okay, so the GDP numbers came in. GDP is better than it was last quarter, guys. So that and unemployment claims dropped. So, despite what the media is telling you guys, the economy, based on this data, is humming along, and that is why we got the move above the 4150 level we was waiting for. Okay, we got a solid close right here. So what does that mean? So now, guys, we are primed, okay, based on the fundamentals here, we're primed to potentially keep humming upwards, right? My next target, I would expect the next move up, depending on what Fed says tomorrow, okay? Depending on what the Fed say tomorrow, I'd expect it to come up to between, honestly, if it's real good, I think we can get up to 4,300 between now and next week, between now and next Friday. So my outlook is bullish, okay? I don't see a scenario where the Fed says that he feels that he needs to continue to raise rates at the current rate that he's been hiking rates. I think that they slow down the pace based on GDP and other economic factors. The main concern may be the unemployment is dropping. So with unemployment dropping, that may be a scenario that they may want to focus on a little bit. So that may be the one area of concern. But outside of that, guys, the data doesn't lie. Data looks good right now, guys. I mean, there's literally no reason to be bearish. So with that being said, I'm gonna be targeting the 4,300 range. That's what I'm looking at between now and next week, unless the Fed throws ice water on that, and he could. I doubt it, but he could. So let's go ahead and move this up here, because we're targeting this area right here, guys, for next week. We're targeting that, okay? So with that being said, let's go to NASDAQ. Same thing with the NASDAQ, guys. We're going to be targeting this area again. We're targeting if we can get to 13,600, which I believe we can, if the Fed doesn't throw ice cold water. Ain't no doubt in my mind we can definitely get to 13,600 by next week, by the end of next week, guys. So that's the target. So what does that mean? Well, if we're bullish on this stuff, well, what do? You go and sell the dollar. So this would be a good time to go buy the euro, buy the British pound, buy anything other than the dollar, right? You can buy gold. Gold is likely about to go up. Let's see how it looks like. Gold should be up today. Gold is up today. So yeah, I mean, go buy something that is used against the dollar, right? You can trade Apple, you can trade Amazon. Then anything you want to trade will most likely be bullish next week, right? If it's in tech, all that good stuff, it's most likely gonna be bullish. So I'm bullish. My outlook is still bullish. So like I said, I could be wrong. The Fed could slow that down, but I doubt it. Okay. So that being said, guys, that's all I have for you. You got my targets: 13,600 next week, and 4,300 on the ES, which is 430 on SPY. Let's go. Be sure to go like this video, share this video with someone that's interested in learning about the markets, following along the journey, and be sure to subscribe to the channel. With that being said, guys, happy trading, and peace.